Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the mushroom from Mario. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off at the bottom and let's draw a curve across. Then from the ends, let's bring it down and curve it in. And now let's connect them with the curve at the bottom. Next, let's move inside and draw the eyes. Let's start with a long oval shape on the left here. And the same thing on the right. Now inside each eye, let's add another oval at the top. And then let's color both of the eyes in black. Next, let's draw the top of the mushroom. Let's start on the left side and let's draw a curve up and to the top. And the same thing on the right. Next, inside in the center, let's draw a large circle. And then a curve down on the left side. And the same on the right. And that's it for the Mario mushroom. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!